Welcome to my video on creating AI avatars for video content, where we'll explore the exciting world of AI-powered avatars with the help of HeyGen and how they're revolutionizing the way we create videos. For the very video you're watching right now, I've used HeyGen avatars to illustrate the potential and possibilities of this incredible technology. In recent years, the rise of AI technology has opened up fascinating possibilities for content creators, and HeyGen's AI avatars are at the forefront of this revolution. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the various aspects of HeyGen's AI avatars, from understanding the underlying technology to their practical applications in video creation.
AI avatars are computer-generated characters or personas that possess the remarkable ability to simulate human behavior and interaction. AI avatars offer unprecedented speed. They can generate content rapidly, allowing for efficient production even under tight schedules. Customization is another key benefit. These avatars can be tailored to fit your specific needs, whether you're creating marketing materials, educational content, or entertainment. Furthermore, AI avatars enhance accessibility. They make content more inclusive by offering features like multi-language support and accessibility options for differently abled audiences. By harnessing these benefits, content creators can deliver engaging and inclusive videos that cater to a broader audience spectrum, ultimately leading to increased reach and impact.
Now, let's dive into how you can create your very own AI avatar. Whether you're using HeyGen or a similar tool, the process usually involves customizing the avatar's appearance to your liking. So, what exactly is HeyGen and what does it do? HeyGen is a web application that leverages AI technology to transform text inputs into compelling synthetic videos. Imagine having the ability to create videos from written content effortlessly. That's the magic of HeyGen. One of HeyGen's standout features is text-to-real human voice, or TTS for short. With TTS, you can input your written text, and HeyGen will generate incredibly lifelike human voices that can be fully customized to suit your needs. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for adding voiceovers to your videos without the need for a human narrator.
Now, let's walk through the process of creating your own AI avatar video. First, you'll need to visit app.heygen.com and log in on the main page. You'll notice the Create Video option. Here, you can choose between landscape or portrait orientation, depending on your specific application. You'll have the choice to either create an avatar or use a picture, which can even be your own. Feel free to customize your avatar further by adjusting the background and making facial modifications. Now add a voice to your avatar. You can choose from a variety of languages and select the voice that best suits your video. You also have the option to manage the audio speed.
For generating text, you can manually input your script or take advantage of HeyGen's GPT-4 script writer, which can generate text for you. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with your choices, simply press the Submit button to generate your video. It's worth noting that HeyGen's free subscription allows you to create one video with a time limit of 1 minute.
As we conclude this journey into the world of AI avatars and content creation, it's important to mention a powerful capability. If you have access to GPT-4 itself, you can enhance your video creation process even further. By adding HeyGen as a plugin, you can generate videos by simply typing your desired content into the prompt window. To wrap up, let's look ahead to the future of AI avatars. It's an exciting future indeed. As technology continues to advance, we can anticipate even more realistic and versatile avatars in content creation. Thank you for joining me in exploring the possibilities of AI-powered avatars and HeyGen. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more engaging content on this topic. If you have any questions or would like to continue the conversation, please feel free to ask or get in touch. I am here to help and discuss any inquiries you may have.